latest on transfer news sanibona bafethu uvano lwamathimo amaningi ayathenga engabe yakithi iyathenga na. So uzoqala lana ngeindaba ezihamba phambili namhlanje ngiyibonile bafethu kuthiwa iStellenbosch ifuna ukuthenga umdlali Orlando Pirates okubani na okuthabiso libitso. Thabiso libitso currently he's with Orlando Pirates but ke there are rumors circulating ukuthi ke umjida ngenzeka abe part of the group yama players azoshiya ku Orlando Pirates. Mase ubheke nje there is a long list of players who are set to leave Orlando Pirates. Nako ke indaba seyiphuma kuthiwa iStellies bafethu ke they are looking to sign okubana okuthabiso libitso. There are rumors circulating regarding uThabang Moduluti joining Orlando Pirates, so maybe releasing yena uThabiso Lebitso is to create more space for ama right backs amasha. So it kind of makes sense. Bongangitshela ke wena, how do you feel regarding uThabiso Lebitso potentially leaving Orlando Pirates joining iStellies? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu kuthiwa ke Iswelele umdlali ke odlalela Iswelele FC okuba lena okulayila ke kungenzeka ashiye umjida njengoba nje izophela isizini. Njengoba uzophela uJune, uma nje uphela uJune umjida ngeba irenew contract yakhe uzoshiya nje as a player odlalela Iswelele, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile regarding umdlali weKaizer Chiefs okuba lena okuDudley, abantu bahlezi bebuza ukuthi ke uzobuya nini uDudley ayodlalela iKaizer Chiefs. Umjida ke last season akayitholanga igame time, njengoba nje engayitholanga igame time abantu bayibuza bayiphendula ukuthi ke uyoze abuye nini kanti umjida ke uzobuya uDudley uzobuya nini na uzojoina iKaizer Chiefs ku pre-season, yabo. Ama ku pre-season ke lapho khona bezoyilolonga khona bayele phesheya umjida uzokwazi ukuthi ke ayijoine isizini aqale kahle isizini entsha with iKaizer Chiefs next season. Umjida ke waba na any injury, nyazi kini injury akusiyona iinjury emnandi kakhulu ikuhlalisa isikhathi eside, so umjida ke ngenzeka abuye kule season nje njobe izoqala. Let's hope njobe ezeka ku pre-season akathomkali akalimali because we need players like him ku squad sebafana bafana. Buke kanje right now ngabe uhambile ne squad sebafana bafana bayodlala ku World Cup but ke bengenayo game time, so Hugo Broos bengaza amthathe ahambe. Kwezinye izindaba ngisayona nje bafethu umdlalo obedlalela iKaizer Chiefs okunjabulo Blom jida ngenzeka ajoine inina ajoine iStellies. If ukhumbula kahle ke I did a video before regarding yena uNjabulo Blom benawo phesitawo basathanda ke ushiya le club ade beyidlalela eVietnam but ke right now uMblom we free agent and ikhona isteam emfunayo okuyiStellies ngenzeka joine nawo Thabiso Libitso lapha le eWineland. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke uThabiso okutumela ngenzeka ahambe kumaZulu awashiya amaZulu uma kuphela uJune. Banike abadlali bafethu okubukenga ukuthi ke ama contracts abo ngeke aze arenewe and uThabiso okutumela is part of those players umjida ongenzeka ahambe as a free agent mekuphela nje uJune. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile regarding iStellies buya ngathi ke iStellies isibhizi ngempela kwi market right now because they are hoping to sign the former player owabadlalela vele ngaphambilini okubani na okuAshley Dupree, yabo. Bafuna ukusayina nje uAshley Dupree right now. Ngingeke ngazi ke with iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi umjida ingabe usa contracted with iKaizer Chiefs, ingabe contract yakhe izophela kule season miphela noma ke singesazi but ke kubuya ngokuthi ke bafuna ukumsayina nje kwiKaizer Chiefs, yabo. Kungabe isayina enhle kakhulu ke le for iStellies because currently mase ubheke nje kubadlala bakhona currently abanasi striker, yabo. Basathana kudedela uMabasa obedlala khona as umdlali oloniwe from Orlando Pirates, so they need a striker and a player like uAshley Dupree osekwabadlalela vele ngaphambilini uzokwazi ke abanikeze leyo nto abayifunayo. Kwezinye izindawo futhi kuthiwa iChippa United have exercised the option yokuthi ke bamgcine umjida ba Useni Siyabi lo oyedlalela iSundowns ngaphambilini, yabo. Bayamgcina uSeni Siyabi bazoqhubeka naye. They are very very impressed by his work. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile ngisakuyona nje iChippa United kuthiwa ke iChippa United umdlali Orlando Avuzwa Mbembe uzojoina iStellenbosch FC. Umjida ke una 19 years old, yabo. Bedlalela iSuperSport United kodwa ke uzojoina right now iStellies. Kuya ngokuthi ke uKevin Hunt uyayiqhenya ngempela indlela adlala khona lo mjida lo and udinga abadlali abakanje, abadlali abade ama left center backs akwazi ukuthi ke abe comfortable onyaweni. Umjida ke bafethu uyakwazi ukuthi ke adlale kahle, yabo. So bayamdinga lapha kuStellies. Ngesazi ke iStellies ngathi ke khona into abayiphekayo, yabo. Mase ubheka nje le list le kugcwele nje iStellies ngempela siloke sithenga. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile umdlali odlala ngempela kuNeo Rap kuthiwa umjida ke kungenzeka extend icontract yakhe with Iswelele FC, yabo. Umjida ke maningi ama team abemfuna kuleli window siphuma kulona nje, maningi nje ama team uma befuna ukumthenga ke manje kumele baye ngqo bangalindi ukuthi ke icontract yakhe iziphele because sebe extendile icontract yabo. So if bemfuna kuleli window leli sikulona kumele bamthenge. They need to sign him or they must wait another season iziphele icontract yakhe next season ngoJune ukuyima bemsayina. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs bafuna ukubuyisa umdlali wabo obedlala iKaizer Chiefs okubanina okuxolane Cosa umjida ke bemlonile but ke bafuna ukumbuyisa ke manje ayojoina iFirst team yeKaizer Chiefs ngoba ke iKaizer Chiefs isidedele the former DDC captain okubanina Eden McCarthy bamdayisile for iclub eLegue Azerbaijan. So iKaizer Chiefs isirecall ndeya youngster obedlala kwiDDC bamletha kwiFirst team. Ngisakuyona nje bafethu Orlando Pirates. Why Orlando Pirates wethu kuLiberto bafethu they have parted ways. Umjida ke ubesana icontract with Orlando Pirates kodwa ke Orlando Pirates decide umdedela. They were not impressed with the loan spell abamnikeze yona ngosikhathi ele kule club abeyidlalela iAngola iPetro de Luanda. Umjida ke ubengadlali kahle. Orlando Pirates decide ukuthi ke bangayirenew icontract yakhe or bangambuyisi ku-first team yeOrlando Pirates. Kuboya ngokuthi ke asekhona vele ama team are ready ukuthi ke asayine ubani na asayine uSipho Mbuli. Yabo team njengesiwelele kwabafethu ndiya looking at iOrlando Pirates bafuna ukubona ukuthi Orlando Pirates izoyenza njani isituation yakhe uSipho Mbuli. Ingabe uSipho Mbuli bazo renew icontract noma ke bamyekela kanjalo. If bemyekela kanjalo a team like usiwelele iyafuna ngempela ama services akhe ubani na uSipho Mbuli una 28 years old. Yabo kwezinye izindaba bafethu ke umjida obedlalela Orlando Pirates namaZulu ukwanda Mngonyama umjida usehambile ke kwiclub beyidlalela le ebizwa ngeAl Ittihad Club. Umjida ke ubedlala kule club le ekwi-second tier kule club yoRonaldo menyazi ke bafethu iSaudi Pro League ubedlala khona kumjida so usehambile. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iGolden Arrows are in advanced talks ukusayinene umdlali obedlalela iHungry Lion uRonaldo van Niel. Umjida ke he will potentially replace uSiyanda Ndlovu. Umjida kuthiwa uyadlala ngempela uqhwayisha even 7. Yabo mhlambe ke uyibona as uRonaldo but ke uRonaldo van Niel umjida bafethu is a very very good youngster. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi ke afike kahle kuPremiership adlale kahle. But ke izona ke indaba lezi bafethu eziphumile ngeke ngazi ke regarding nini ukuthi ke how do you feel regarding le indaba lezi. But ke I'm very I'm not okay regarding indaba lebitho. I would very prefer Orlando Pirates ke maybe mhlawumbe umjida engamdayisa abanye they are players mhlawumbe besingabadedela maybe sibadayise. I know Shandu ngenzeka ahambe another player ongenzeka ahambe potentially uNdlozi bafethu I heard ukuthi uNdlozi nawo yahamba. So imagine releasing 3 players playing that same